Welcome back to the Port Hacking River. Just coming out here for a little solo session on Easter Monday, looking like glamour conditions, and yeah, just going to try and head out to just outside the heads, up and down the south side of the Port Hacking, see if we can pick up some Bonito and maybe a king, and then maybe do some drops for some flatheads just off Marley. But we'll see how we go, and yeah, come along and fingers crossed, eh?
Too much action at the moment, just dropping at about 26 metres. I don't know, about a K off the headland. There's a bit of action behind us happening right now, but you know, we'll see what happens. But just got a prawn floating at the back, and this one's down deep. See if we can't jag something.